Hello viewers, welcome to our ultimate wooden kitchen makeover video, where we will share with you some amazing 2024 kitchen renovation ideas that will transform your space into a cozy and stylish haven. There is something timeless and inviting about wooden kitchen designs. The warmth of wood adds a rustic charm to any kitchen, creating a welcoming atmosphere that is perfect for gathering with family and friends. One of the key trends for 2024 is the use of neutral materials in kitchen design, and wood is definitely at the top of the list. From cabinets to countertops to flooring, incorporating wood into your kitchen will instantly elevate the look and feel of the space. If you are looking to add a touch of luxury to your kitchen, consider opting for dark wood finishes like walnut or mahogany. These rich tones add a sense of sophistication and elegance to your space, making it feel luxurious and high-end. For a more modern and sleek look, opt for light wood finishes like oak or maple. Light wood creates a bright and airy feel in the kitchen, making it feel spacious and open. No matter your style preferences, incorporating wooden elements into your kitchen design is sure to create a warm and inviting space that you will love spending time in. Thanks for watching our ultimate wooden kitchen makeover video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home renovation ideas.